Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today we will see how to add asset users. So let's start. Just click on asset module, then select asset user submodule. Then just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export multiple asset users through export to CSV and export to Excel option. To add new asset user, just click on add asset user option. Just enter that person name. I'm just adding Kenny. Just enter the code. Then enter email address. Just enter the mobile number. Then select the type. Set status as active. And enter if any notes are there. And just save that entry. Your new asset user entry will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can quick search your results through this filter and you can quick refresh your search results through this refresh button. This is how you can add your asset users. If you get any query to add asset users, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.